Heartbreak is a painful experience that can leave us feeling lost, alone, and confused. It's a common part of the human experience, and most people will experience heartbreak at some point in their lives. The pain of heartbreak can be intense and overwhelming, but it's important to remember that it's okay to feel this way. It's a natural response to loss and change, and it's important to allow yourself to fully experience your emotions in order to heal. Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. While heartbreak can be painful, it can also be a transformative experience. It can help us grow, learn, and gain a greater understanding of ourselves and our needs. It can be an opportunity to reassess our priorities, build resilience, and ultimately find happiness and fulfillment. In this video, we're going to discuss 15 effective ways to recover from heartbreak. If you're struggling with the pain of a breakup or loss, these tips can help you navigate your emotions and start the healing process. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, give yourself time. Giving yourself time to heal from emotional pain is a crucial step in the recovery process. It's natural to want to feel better quickly, but healing takes time, and everyone's timeline is different. It's essential to be patient with yourself and allow yourself to feel the full range of emotions that come with heartbreak. Acknowledge your feelings and don't try to suppress them or push them aside. By taking the time you need to heal, you'll be better equipped to move forward and start the next chapter of your life. Number 2, focus on self-care. Taking care of yourself physically and emotionally can help you feel better and more resilient. This includes eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and getting enough sleep. It's also important to engage in activities that make you feel good, whether that's spending time with friends, listening to music, or taking a relaxing bath. By prioritizing self-care, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges that come with heartbreak, and you'll feel better overall. Number 3, lean on your support system. Talking to friends and family members about how you feel can provide emotional support. It's essential to reach out to people you trust and feel comfortable with. It can be difficult to ask for help, but allowing yourself to be vulnerable and honest with others can be incredibly healing. Your support system can also offer perspective and guidance as you navigate your emotions and move forward. Remember that you don't have to go through emotional pain alone, and there are people in your life who care about you and want to help. Number 4, seek professional help. A trained professional can provide an objective and supportive space for you to process your emotions, work through any underlying issues, and develop coping strategies. They can also offer guidance and tools to help you manage your feelings and improve your overall well-being. Sometimes it can be difficult to navigate heartbreaks on your own, and seeking professional help can provide you with the resources you need to move forward in a healthy and productive way. Number 5, take a break from social media. Social media can be a constant reminder of your ex and can keep you stuck in a loop of negative thoughts and emotions. Taking a break from social media can give you space to focus on yourself and your healing process. It can also help you avoid seeing any updates or posts from your ex, which can be triggering and upsetting. By taking a break from social media, you can give yourself a chance to recharge and move forward with a clearer mind. Number 6, keep yourself busy. When you're busy, it can be easier to distract yourself from negative thoughts and emotions that may come up. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that make you feel good, whether that's spending time with friends, reading a book, or pursuing a hobby. Keeping your mind and body active can help you stay focused on the present and not dwell on the past. It can also give you a sense of purpose and accomplishment, which can boost your self-esteem and help you move forward with a positive attitude. Number 7, express yourself creatively. Writing in a journal, painting, or engaging in other creative pursuits can help you process your emotions and express them in a healthy way. When you create something, you can give form to your emotions and work through them in a tangible way. It can also be a way to find closure and create a sense of distance from the situation. By expressing yourself creatively, you can gain a new perspective on your experiences and move forward with a greater sense of self-awareness and emotional insight. Furthermore, journaling can be a powerful tool for managing your emotions and promoting mental health. Express yourself without fear of judgment by putting pen to paper. Find high-quality journals by following the link in the description below and start your journey toward emotional healing today. Number 8. Travel. Taking a trip can give you a change of scenery and a new perspective, which can be beneficial when you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed. Traveling can also be an opportunity to explore new places, try new things, and connect with new people. It can provide a sense of adventure and excitement, which can be rejuvenating and help you feel more optimistic about the future. By traveling, you can give yourself a chance to recharge, reflect, and gain a new perspective on your life. Number 9. Volunteer. Helping others can give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment, which can be especially beneficial when you're feeling down. Volunteering can also provide an opportunity to meet new people, learn new skills, and make a positive impact on your community. By giving back, you can shift your focus away from your own problems and onto the needs of others. This can be empowering and help you gain a new perspective on your life. Additionally, volunteering can be a way to build your self-esteem and feel more positive about yourself and your abilities. Number 10. Set goals. When you're feeling lost or unsure of what to do next, setting achievable goals can give you direction and purpose. Whether it's a short-term goal, like cleaning your house, or a long-term goal, like learning a new skill, having something to work towards can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-esteem. It can also help you stay focused on the present and not dwell on the past. By setting goals, you can gain a sense of control over your life and feel more optimistic about the future. Additionally, achieving your goals can help you build resilience and develop a greater sense of self-confidence. Number 11. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life rather than dwelling on what's wrong can help shift your mindset and improve your overall mood. Expressing gratitude can be as simple as listing a few things you're thankful for each day, or it can involve more deliberate practices like keeping a gratitude journal or writing thank you notes to people who have made a difference in your life. By practicing gratitude, you can cultivate a greater sense of appreciation for the good things in your life and feel more hopeful about the future. Number 12. Let go of anger and resentment. Holding on to negative emotions can keep you stuck in the past and prevent you from moving forward. Forgiving your ex and yourself can be challenging, but it's essential to release any anger or resentment you may be feeling. This can involve taking steps to work through your emotions, such as talking to a therapist or engaging in mindfulness practices. It can also involve reframing your perspective and focusing on the positive aspects of your life. By letting go of anger and resentment, you can free up mental and emotional space to focus on your own growth and happiness. Number 13. Take things slowly. While it's natural to want to find love again, rushing into a new relationship too quickly can lead to rebounding and potentially more heartbreak. It's important to take the time you need to heal and reflect on what you want in a future partner. When you do start dating again, take things slow and communicate openly with your new partner. Make sure you're both on the same page about what you want and take the time to build a strong foundation of trust and respect. By taking things slow, you can ensure that you're making the best choices for yourself and setting yourself up for a healthy, long-lasting relationship in the future. Number 14. Learn from the experience. Take the time to reflect on the relationship and what you've learned from it. This can involve identifying any patterns or behaviors that may have contributed to the breakup, as well as reflecting on what you want in a future partner. Use this knowledge to grow and improve yourself, both personally and in future relationships. By learning from the experience, you can gain a greater sense of self-awareness and move forward with more confidence and clarity about your wants and needs. Number 15. Believe in yourself. It's important to remember that you are strong and capable of moving forward, even when things feel difficult. Have faith in yourself and trust that you will find happiness again. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and the things that you're grateful for, and take steps to build your self-esteem and self-confidence. This can involve setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, and engaging in activities that make you feel good about yourself. By believing in yourself, you can overcome the challenges of heartbreak and emerge stronger and more resilient on the other side. Conclusion: recovering from heartbreak is a challenging and painful process, but it is an essential part of healing and moving forward. The 15 strategies outlined in this video can help you cope with your emotions and help you find a way to rebuild your life. Remember to be patient with yourself, allow yourself to feel your emotions, and have faith in your ability to heal and grow. By taking these steps, you can move forward with resilience, hope, and a renewed sense of self-confidence. We hope that the information presented in this video was useful in helping you navigate the challenges of heartbreak. If you found this content valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to stay up to date on our latest offerings. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to ensure that you never miss out on the helpful content we produce. Thanks for watching.